No need to defrost chicken breasts. Quick, easy, and delicious dinner. Let's start the recipe by grating one frozen chicken breast. Put all the grated chicken in a bowl. This recipe is very delicious. If you make it at home, everyone will love it. Now grate 2 medium potatoes. Squeeze a little to remove excess liquid. Add to the same bowl as we put the chicken. Add half an onion, chopped. Add 1 egg. A teaspoon of salt. Pepper to taste. Add oregano. We will also grate 200 grams of cheese. Put all the grated cheese in the bowl. Now mix it very well until it's homogeneous. Don't forget to tell me which city you're from, so I can send you a super hug. I'll love to answer you. In a frying pan, put some olive oil. Also add a tablespoon of butter. After the butter has melted, put all the batter in the pan and spread it well. This recipe was very delicious, you will love it. Put the lid on and let it fry for about 15 minutes or until golden brown. After browning them on one side, turn them over with the help of a plate. Now fry the other side for about 10 minutes. And our recipe is done. I'll put some chopped parsley on top, but it's totally optional. I love this recipe. I will repeat it several times during the week. If you make it at home, you won't regret it. Thanks to everyone who watched us. Until the next video.